Okay, charge water cleanser to clean my face. So tadi pagi saya jalankan pakai makeup sedikit. So let me clean first. Baru saya start makeup up. Let me clean. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. This is Clinique's Moisture Storage. This is a big tub. Usually the standard size is this small one there, but this is big, the bonus size. So I'm gonna prep my skin with this one. Start with my eye makeup first. Yeah, I'm gonna start with my eye makeup because I don't want the eyeshadow drop into my cheeks, and I need to clean after the foundation. No, it's gonna be very messy. So let me start with my eye makeup first. First, I will do my eyebrow first. I bought this one, Anastasia Beverly Hills, the deep brow pomade in the shade of caramel. Okay, eyebrow brush, sorry. Okay, you need an eyebrow brush like this. So take some. Start with the bottom eyebrow, and then at the end, lastly is the top side. I usually drag from the back like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay, fill in. Reverse motion until here. So this one I'm gonna drag the color from the back to the front using this spoolie brush. Okay, let me fill in first properly. Yeah, very nice. The pomade is very soft, creamy. Love it. Okay, I think I can conceal already, but before that, let me brush my eyebrow, make it arrange well, look tidy with this spoolie brush. Okay, using this spoolie brush. Okay, brush up like this. Slowly, gentle brushing. Slowly, gentle. So I think I want to fill in with the eyebrow powder. So I'm gonna use this one. Brow it by Nong Chat. Let's fill in with the darkest brown here because this is like, for me it's reddish brown. So I'm gonna use this one. This one, fill in the brow. Just now was the pomade. Now I'm gonna fill in with the powder. Okay, let me try this one. This is actually eyeshadow from Makeup Geek. The shade is called Desert Sand. Okay, this one. Let's use this one on there. Okay, let me try. Let me see what this looks. Alright, like that. Because I don't know where's my other eyebrow powder, so I just using this eyeshadow, the light brown, for the head of the eyebrow. I'm gonna use this concealer palette. This one. This is creamy, very thick, so the concealer is good. Yeah. So I'm gonna use the lightest shade, the lightest one. set define. So we can clean the concealer. I'm using my buffing concealer brush. Actually, this is not buffing concealer brush. It's supposed to be the eyeshadow brush that provided in the Naked eyeshadow palette, Naked number 2 eyeshadow palette that has already provided this one. Since I don't really like to use this for the eyeshadow blending using this brush, but I love to use this one for the cleaning the concealer, especially this one. This one is the sharp one and this is the buffing one. Okay, so let's clean the concealer. So I'm gonna use this one, the heavy rotation. So this is the eyebrow mascara, but in very light brown. This is almost like blonde. Satisfied? Yes. Okay, next for my eyeshadow. You can use eyeshadow primer or concealer or foundation also can, yeah, if you wanna make your eyeshadow last long. Okay. And today I have this one. This is Morphe, my first Morphe eyeshadow. Alright, and this is the 35B. Ta-da! Can you see that? Smaller brush. So focus on the crease again. I'm gonna use this darker green. The technique is just use very light pressure. Tidak payah tekan kuat-kuat. Just very light. Okay, I'm gonna focus on the outer edge as well. Okay, I'm gonna use this black. This black from Morphe 35B. Just at the outer corner like this. Okay, the shade is Porcelain. Done. That's my cut crease today. So I'm gonna use this touch in sole, sorry. Hang on, touch in sole. So I'm gonna use this concealer brush, another concealer brush, to blend it. Okay, so this is the liquid one. So let me top with the glitter side. This one. Wow, can you see that? Wow, love it. Can you see that? So I'm gonna try to use this very yellow from Morphe 35B. This eyeliner, I'm using this eyeliner. Okay, this is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp. The Bobbi Brown, the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, like orange smell, citrus. It's really smell good. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna use this orange corrector first to conceal whatever dark spot or black circle. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I just bought 2 days ago, I guess, because they have sales. So I want to try this one. Never been trying this one. I've been using the NARS concealer, so I'm gonna give it a try. My favorite foundation, Estee Lauder. I changed the lid with the MAC foundation palm. This one, the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I'm gonna use this Ila Mascara Cream Blusher. The shade is called Late. Make Mineralize. Okay. This is a darker. Okay. This is MAC. Okay, color buff t-shirt. Bright yellow. Before that, I'm gonna use this Cover FX. These peaches from MAC. And Cheeky Beats Extra Dimension Blush from MAC as well. Okay. 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 The shirt is number 31.
Oh.
Very bright green. Okay. Gonna use this very bright green.
I'm done.
Huh? So quick? Already shower?
Already?
Why so fast? Why your hair not wet? Why your face not wet? Nayan, can you wait downstairs? Mommy almost done.
Oh.
Please.
Oh, can I have a seat?
Okay, but don't call me, yeah?
Okay.
Hi, Sue.
Hello.
Hi.
Mommy, you looks very nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but
Okay.
the lipstick is so very nice.
You like the lipstick?
Yeah.
I see. Okay, go there. Okay, I'll be using this one.
Mommy, that is too old.